Hello and welcome to this week's elementary food menu. Let's see what we have on the menu for this week. On Monday for breakfast we'll have an oatmeal chocolate chip cereal bar, fruit, juice, or milk. And for lunch we'll have pepperoni pizza, golden corn, California blend veggies, fruit, and milk. On Tuesday for breakfast we'll have a blueberry muffin, fruit, and milk. And for lunch we'll have chicken tenders with a Dutch waffle, broccoli florets, orange glazed carrots, fruit, and milk. On Wednesday for breakfast we'll have a morning sausage roll, fruit, juice, or milk. And for lunch we'll have a hamburger or cheeseburger, burger salad, potato crinkle cut fries, fruit, and milk. On Thursday for breakfast we'll have a pancake with sausage patty, fruit, and milk. And for lunch we'll have cheese enchiladas with meat sauce, Spanish rice, seasoned pinto beans, lettuce and tomato salad, fruit, and milk. On Friday for breakfast we'll have a honey bun, fruit, juice, or milk. And for lunch we'll have turkey ham and cheese on croissant, burger salad, fresh baby carrots, ranch flavored Dorito chips, fruit, and milk. And that's it for this week's elementary food menu. If you want to stay updated with these weekly elementary food menus, then follow us on all of our social media platforms at Edinburg CISD.